let's print some feedback in console as debug feedback. Hello everyone, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to the Mentor Code Lab. Today we will talk about this line of code that was generated as the start of a project. Now this line shows few different things. First thing, this system is a class. If you don't know what is this guy, this is called Java documentation. Get used to reading this. It's a very helpful thing. Now if you look, it provides different information. First of all, it's inside Java Lang package. Then it shows that it's a class and it's final. And then it gives a description about system. So it contains several useful classes, fields, and methods. Just by reading this single line, we know that system has some classes that are internal classes. We will come back to those later. It cannot be instantiated, so we can't make an instance because it's final. The things that are provided, standard input, standard output, and error output streams, access to external defined properties and environment variables and stuff like that. So this is a class. Now output is a static final object, and that is print stream. So it's a static object inside system and its type of print stream. Out is for output. Now output has different methods. One of them is println. Let's take a look at others. So we start typing our first line of code. System.out. You see we have println, and by the way these are different overloads for println, and we have println, append, check error, close, flush, write bytes, format, and the stuff that are not related to this class, but it's just for any class and object. So the most used cases for system out is println and print. Now println means printing a line, and inside the parentheses we give the parameters for the method. Now if you look, when I hit dot and I choose the println, you see that we have different parameters that can be set in. So for example, integers, characters, longs, and stuff like that. We will come back to them in the next video. However, we just need to understand that this is a string, and we are saying that, hey, please print this line inside console. So let's run the application and see the result. This is the console opening, and this is the string that we ask to be printed. Now let's add few more lines. How did I do this? Control D duplicates your page. So we say, I am learning Java. The next line we say, it is awesome. Okay, let's run it. As you see, each one of the messages is being printed in a new line. Remember, system out println and system out print will just send messages inside the console. You won't see anything on the monitor as a user of the final product. For that, we will have another video showing message boxes. As I said, we have another command that we can call. Let's use that one, shall we? We go and say system.out.print, and here we will print the same thing. So hello world, just run it. You would say, hey, what's the difference? If you rewind the video back and take a look at the execution of the first line, you would notice that there was an empty line between hello world and process finished. This time we don't have that. That is the first change. Now let's create these two and add the messages from above. Let's rerun the program, and now you see that the messages are being printed one after another in the same line. So println puts a new line character at the end of the string, causing it to go to the next line by default. Print won't do that. I'm not going to talk about the new line character as \n, but that's exactly the thing that causes the code to go into the next line at the end of this one. So you see it went into a new line, but then again the rest don't have this new line code, so they are printing one after another. Now let's go back and talk about system out print a string. What is this thing here? This is a string, as I said, okay? If I remove these double quotations, you will have error because the system don't understand this. But putting the text between double quotations make a string type of variable so that we can print it. If you don't know what are strings, please watch the videos on Programming for Beginners series, because there I talk about all the theory concepts you need so that we can move forward faster when we are learning Java. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on that bell so that when I publish a new video, you will get informed. Have fun everyone. Bye.